Stay tuned as we guide you through a quick 10-second tutorial on how to check your Windows version in Windows 11. Let's dive in. Open the Start menu and select the Settings app. Now select System from the menu on the left. In the right pane, select About. In there, you should see your Windows 11 version and other useful information. Press Windows key plus R at the same time to open the Run window. Type Control in the box, then press Enter or click OK. Control panel will now open. Navigate to the System and Security section. Go to the System section. Now the About page will appear with your Windows 11 version information. Open the Run dialog. You can do that with Windows key plus R shortcut. Now enter winver and press Enter or click OK. A new window will appear and you'll be able to see Windows 11 version information. Press Windows key plus R and type CMD. Press Enter or click OK. When the command prompt opens, type vir and press Enter. You should now see the build version of Windows 11 that you're using. Press Windows key plus R and enter msinfo 32. Press Enter. A new window will appear showing you the OS name and the version that you're using. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.